Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, SUI seems to be following the analysis at the moment, seems to be following the roadmap, and we've seen a reaction to the next support region. We only talked about this one in yesterday's video. It's defined between $1.26 and $1.42. That was the support region. And yeah, I mean, this pullback might still be unfolding. We haven't broken out to the upside yet, right? But the reaction to the support area is already noticeable. The price touched the 23.6 fib retracement here at $1.42 and has already moved up like 10% nearly from there, 9% to 10%. So I think at the moment, I mean, we can watch for this fifth wave now. The fourth wave is definitely healthy enough, especially if we compare it with this small wave 2. So it's absolutely valid as a wave 4. It wasn't too deep, wasn't too shallow. And while I actually just talk here, we already see some upside momentum and volume come in, and this could be wave 5. And the question is, okay, where could wave 5 go to? I mean, the next Fibonacci levels are on the chart already. $1.60 is next resistance, but if it's really a wave 5 that's unfolding, I'd like it to get at least to $1.67, possibly stretch even to $1.77 in this wave 5 of 3. Now, this is where the red wave count comes in. I mentioned that in detail yesterday, I explained the structure in detail yesterday, so I'm not going to do that again, but there is our bearish wave count, which could top here at $1.77. So that means caution is recommended. That's not bearishness, it just means caution, because let's say if we get to $1.77, then break below the intraday low at $1.42, I think that would be a good indication that the market has possibly topped in red wave C. If then a break below $1.08, which is the next key level, unfolds or forms, if we break below that level, that would be further confirmation, because that's the 50% retracement of the entire rally that started on the 2nd of September. And a break below the 50% retracement pretty much indicates that this move up can't really be an impulse anymore. That would be a really good indication that the red wave 2 has topped and that we are heading down in a third wave to new lows, okay? Now, that's nothing I'm primarily watching at the moment, but the risk is very high. I actually think this has a good chance to push higher, and it's just following our roadmap, okay? So this is, and bear in mind, I'm watching primarily the yellow scenario, which indicates here that we are in circle 3 after circle 2 bottomed on the 2nd of September. Circle 3 should take us to $2.47 at least. Okay, so that would be for the wave 3, the minimum expectation. Could very well go higher, and then we would still like to see another 4-5 pattern. And yeah, maybe we will form a top here, but if it keeps going, then we're talking about the white count, which can actually take us to 850 plus, but that's too far out at the moment. The potential is there, it's on the chart. As a member, you get access to our live charts. By the way, you see all of these potentials on our charts. Oops, and the key pivots. By the way, if you hear the dog, he's dreaming in the background. Yeah, and you see it's momentum is coming in, so it's a good time to make that video actually. So when you watch the video, because things happen so quickly in crypto, we might already have broken out. And the $1.77 level, I see that as more relevant than, for example, $1.67. These are smaller fib levels, but $1.77, that relates to the bigger picture. That relates to the length of the initial rally that happened between the 5th of August and the, what is that here? The 12th of 13th of August, okay? So this is the length of red wave A. We compare that with red wave C. And C waves can be longer. It's just the first really ideal target, and most C waves finish in the area of the 100% extension. Now again, at the moment, as long as we're holding above support levels, the momentum is up. So I'm following that yellow wave count primarily. I explained that in yesterday's video, which was a bit longer as well. But that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.